Hello everyone, in this video we will have a look on some of the best eyepieces from SkyPoint Apparatus. So let's start the video. So our first eyepiece, this is 20 mm ultra wide angle 1.25 degree eyepiece, and as you can know by its name, it has a 20 mm of ultra wide angle with 13 mm of eye relief, which provide comfort and convenience to our eyes, and ultra wide 68-degree angle apparent field of view gives you that unforgettable lost in space feeling. It also has 5 element 4 groups made up of high index glass deliver sharp high contrast vistas, which is very sufficient. A twist up eyepieces, a barrel threaded for use with 1.25 degree eyepiece filters, which you know is very magnificent in itself. Then we also have a sleek back barrel with safety undercut to reduce the possibility of the eyepiece slipping out of the focuser or diagonal, and a back-end lens edges, anti-reflection threads for maximum contrast. As you can see, it looks like. So this is our second eyepiece, 15 mm 68-degree ultra wide angle eyepiece, and as you can see, it has 15 mm ultra wide angle 1.25 degree telescope eyepiece with 13 mm of eye relief, provide comfort and convenience of our eyes. It also has ultra wide 68-degree apparent field of view, which gives you that unforgettable lost in space feelings, and it has many qualities. Feel free to visit our website for more info. And here, as you can see, it look like. This is our third presentation. Our third eyepiece is 9 mm ultra wide 68-degree eyepiece. It has 9 mm ultra wide angle 1.25 telescope eyepiece with 13 mm of eye relief and the super wide angle eyepiece. Eyepieces offer a quality of 5 element Plössl optical design at a super affordable price. Fixed folding rubber eye cup allows easy use with or without eye wear, which is magnificent in itself. It also has anti-reflection, fully multi-coated optics, ensure bright and clear high images at any magnification, and many more qualities in it. Feel free to visit our website to get more info. Our website is www.skypointapparatus.in. And here, our last but not least presentation, our fourth eyepiece. This is 6 mm 68-degree ultra wide angle eyepiece. 68-degree ultra wide angle is more powerful to get bright and expansive views, and broadband anti-reflection green film optical lens achieve clear and orthoscopic image. It also has fitting for standard 1.25 of eyepiece of any astronomical telescope with anodized aluminium housing and internally blackened to eliminate light scattering, and contrast almost rubber eye guard to block stray light, and fold down it to provide convenience for eyeglass wearers, and many more things if you want to visit our website. This is the whole kit of 4 eyepieces with a wonderful concessional with whole set. You will get a variety of ultra wide angle eyepieces of focal length 6, 9, 15 and 20 mm. Each come with a fixed rubber holding eye cup, which helps in easy use of anti-reflection, full multi-coated optics. It come with a good discount at affordable prices. Feel free to visit our website for more information about this kit. This is the complete view of all the 4 eyepieces. We provide complete additional accessories for telescopes and binoculars for all these products, and if you like any product, you can purchase it through our website www.skypoint.in, and feel free to visit our website for own information about each product. We also have delivery services. We, SkyPoint Interpreters, supply all models, brands, OEM product of telescopes, binoculars, sporting scopes, and all a complete accessories available on best prices. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe our channel. We keep on uploading more product videos about these products. Thank you.